Today, we talk about...
Get it!
So, little spoiler alert, Dinobot is complete. Video coming soon, I promise. But today, Ash got it. Woo. That was quick. Get them loaded. So off the bat, you get that nice bop of infrared, cuz. I mean, I don't want to put too much light on it, but yeah, it's a nice shade of, it's really pink. I want to get it out of the light a little bit, see if it helps you get an appreciation for the color. It's tough, but it's like legit pink in person. Or like, it's literally like that infrared color you saw in the 2014 Jordan 66666s. But yeah, let's unfold this. This was literally the last pair in existence I could find on eBay, let alone in my size. Look, actually it's a medium, so I'm hoping it fits, but oh Lord, I love this. Look at this, woo. Wow, I believe this was part of the Running Man pack. And so this, as far as apparel goes, hold on. And then the Running Man 9-to-5s, I had no idea those existed until y'all helped me out in the comment sections on Reddit. Oh, Lord, another bop of infrared here. You see the Nike branding right there? And then it's in white here. I feel like this would have been over the top awesome if they had done infrared on the on this zipper lining as well. But it is what it is. But yeah, you see the Running Man logo, so to speak. I guess in terms of PARRA's interpretation, you get the paws of the bunny running all over the place, which is also replicated on the 95. So I guess this is almost kind of like a part of a pack for to be worn with the 9-to-5. So there you go, the Running Man. I like the little plus there. Interesting. And then yeah, you kind of, let me see if I can open this up. Yeah, kind of kooky, man. You get the infrared bops there, the blue bops here, the bunny head there with the Running Man-ish there. It's an overall pretty cool place. Peace. And hey, it fits. Yeah, man, this is nice. Yeah, I love that little bop of infrared, man. This whole thing just executed great. Got him. Yeah, man, this is cool. A little short when you lift your arms up, but kind of like what we discussed with the Nike Ambush line. Luckily, it doesn't smell either. With the Nike Ambush line, that was oversized, yet with the size large, I was still getting a little arm problem-ish, but this isn't as bad, so it is what it is. Yeah, so there you go. And, you know, I already unboxed the Running Man 95, so I'm just going to slip that into the end of this video, so I apologize if you've seen it already, but not everybody has. Some people are just here for the PARRA, so enjoy that. For those of you complaining about box cutters, I got some, but they sharp. Classic Nike box. Ooh, so shout out to those that watched the PARRA video, and you brought to my attention that I did miss a nice component of the Nike pack. Ooh, nicely packaged. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that has been non-iced out. I had no idea I had an icy sole at one time, I suppose. Already can see the PARRA artwork coming through. This was part of the Running Man pack. The Running Man, yeah. And yeah, not a huge fan of 95s. A little cloudy bubble there. You see the artwork coming through though. Just pull out the other pair here. Similar artwork here. Oh, there you go. The actual Running Man as far as PARRA is concerned. 95 mini swoosh. Another icy out. Not bad actually as far as 95s go. This will be my second and hopefully last 95 because I am not a huge fan. I know game is, and a lot of people are, but I am not actually. I just don't like the chunkiness and the vibes of the waves, but it is what it is. And I'm gonna say for a colorway of 95s, this is kind of killer. Gotta say, this would actually look great with the PARRA tracksuit as well. So, hey yo. And yeah, I would say now we have completed officially the Nike PARRA collaboration line, I would say. But if I've missed something, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. We out. Bye.